Welcome to TV Repair Made Easy, brought to you by ShopJimmy.com. Visit www.shopjimmy.com to search the hundreds of thousands of TV parts in our inventory. Please make sure that your TV is unplugged and that you are protected from static electricity. There are various ways to eliminate static electricity, but the most common way is to use a grounding wrist strap. Take photos and notes often to help remember the location and orientation of parts and wires. And feel free to pause and backtrack through this tutorial as much as needed. To be best prepared for your board replacement, you will need the following materials: a pair of latex gloves, your ShopJimmy.com replacement part, a pair of needle nose pliers, both a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and a cup to hold all screws, clips, and any other small items. So let's get to it, shall we? Locate your TV's identification label and take note of the brand name, model number, serial number, and model code if present. Unscrew and remove the back cover. The power supply unit takes in and distributes power throughout the TV. This board is connected to the power cord or the AC adapter. This power supply is located at the center of the chassis. Carefully unplug all wires by hand. Unlock the wire connectors by squeezing the tab or tabs and gently remove the wires. Be sure to keep a firm grip with both hands. Unscrew and remove your original board from the chassis. The part number for this item can be found printed on the board. Search your part number on ShopJimmy.com to find a compatible replacement. Click on the search results to view important product specifications. Some replacement boards are version or TV specific. Please be sure to look on the product page for notes regarding serial number or part number requirements. Verify that your original board matches all requirements noted in the product description prior to purchase. ShopJimmy offers a 180-day warranty on all circuit boards and free 2-day shipping for all U.S. customers. Insert all screws to secure your ShopJimmy replacement board to the chassis. Reconnect all cables. Return the back cover to its original position and secure all screws. This ShopJimmy replacement board does not require any manual configurations in order to function. Simply plug in and power on, and your TV will function as if new. Thank you for watching one of our many tutorials here at ShopJimmy.com. If you have any further questions regarding your repair, simply post a question in the comments section below or call our award-winning customer service team at the number on your screen. We strive to learn and share new TV repair tips every day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and grow with us. Share our videos with your friends and help us spread the savings. And don't forget to hit that like button